Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, has reached a pivotal moment in its flagship Combat Air Teaming System, CATS, project with the successful engine ground run of the CATS Warrior full-scale demonstrator. This achievement underscores the collaborative synergy among HAL's various research and development (R&D) centers, highlighting the integration of aircraft design by the Aircraft Research and Design Center, an indigenous mission computer from the Systems and Laboratory Research and Development Center, and an indigenous power plant from the Aero Engine Research and Development Center. The CATS Warrior, a key component of the air teaming concept, is designed to operate in concert with manned aircraft to enhance combat capabilities through a mix of manned and unmanned aerial vehicles. This successful ground run signifies that the project is advancing towards operational readiness, with the prototype aircraft scheduled to be unveiled at the upcoming Aero India 2025 exhibition. Dr. D.K. Sunil, Chairman and Managing Director of HAL, extended his appreciation to the dedicated team behind this project. He emphasized the importance of maintaining momentum, urging the team to expedite the process so that the CATS Warrior can take to the skies as soon as possible. This milestone is not just a testament to our technical prowess, but also to our commitment to enhancing the strategic capabilities of our armed forces, Dr. Sunil remarked. The CATS Warrior is envisioned as a loyal wingman drone, capable of performing a variety of missions from reconnaissance to combat support, all while reducing the risk to human pilots. The integration of indigenous technology across different systems of the drone not only showcases HAL's capability in advanced aerospace manufacturing but also aligns with India's vision of self-reliance in defense technology. This achievement comes at a time when the Indian defense sector is focusing on innovation and indigenous development to meet future challenges. The CATS program, by leveraging the expertise of HAL's specialized R&D centers, showcases a model of how integrated efforts can lead to significant advancements in military technology. Please subscribe the channel if the information is useful. Thanks for watching.